EasyLift equipment narrow aisle DC powered drum transporters are the safe and ergonomic solution for picking and transporting drums from the floor or a pallet. EasyLift equipment has developed an extensive line of ergonomic drum transporters since our original model was awarded a U.S. patent in 1997. Our most popular version is the SL or narrow aisle model, which is available in capacities up to 800 pounds. Before using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor prior to beginning. Using the master disconnect switch, turn the unit on. Before proceeding, you should verify that all functions are in proper working order. All controls are located on the top of the DC cabinet for easy accessibility to the operator, consisting of switches for lifting and lowering. To charge, simply ensure the drum transporter is turned off and plug in a polarized heavy gauge extension cord. The drum transporter seen here features our DC-powered lift system, which is powered by two 12-volt batteries housed in a cabinet with a hydraulic lift motor, internal charger, master disconnect switch, and gauge-type battery discharge indicator. The internal charger uses a standard 120-volt outlet on the side of the DC cabinet. A polarized heavy gauge extension cord is required, which connects the unit to a wall outlet. Charging times range between 6 and 8 hours. Do not operate the unit while charging or with the extension cord plugged in. Doing so could cause damage to the unit. The charger has separate indicators for each battery, which turn green once complete to ensure a full charge. Once charged, unplug the extension cord and turn the unit on. Once testing is complete, disengage the foot floor lock and begin application. All narrow aisle models require the operator to place or remove drums from the corner of a pallet. It is recommended to apply slight forward pressure as you raise the clamp to ensure a solid grip. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance before transporting the drum to its destination. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. Dark-core ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. The narrow width of these models enables positioning drums in a straight line and/or removing any of the drums from that line. All models lift the drum a minimum of up to 20 inches for placement on pallets, floor scales, or containment pallets. We offer additional lift height options to elevate drums as high as 72 inches above floor level. Alternate powered options are available when DC-powered equipment is not permitted. These include manual foot pump, pneumatic air tank, AC-powered, or air over hydraulic. Standard models are steel construction with safety yellow powder coating for durability. Optional FDA-approved metallic gray powder coating, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction are available for food and pharmaceutical applications. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift chains. Scale systems are also available for verifying weight or performing inventory. Our ergonomic step-down foot floor lock is easy to engage or release and acts as a parking brake when the transporter is not in use. When operation is complete, or you plan to step away from the equipment, always engage the step-down floor lock. Leaving the transporter unsecured may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. The EG1 single clamping mechanism is designed for steel and plastic chimed drums. The EG2 double clamping mechanism is recommended for working with open-top drums, plastic or fiber drums. There is a specific procedure for clamping fiber drums. Please consult the manual for the best method for handling fiber drums. Switching out clamping heads is an easy process consisting of removing a single stainless steel retaining pin. The clamping heads are also adjustable to handle shorter height drums by removing that same stainless steel retaining pin and raising or lowering the clamp position on the mast accordingly. Rate of descent is controlled by the flow control valve. Without a load, the clamp will lower at a slower rate. The flow control valve is to control the speed of lowering with a drum, which is factory preset and should not be adjusted without consulting EasyLift equipment. DC-powered lift models are also a good solution for high-volume drum handling or lifting drums to higher elevations. Having two AGM 12-volt batteries, this 24-volt model can lift drums up to several hundred times between charges. When finished, always place the drum transporter in a safe location. Always engage the step-down foot floor lock and turn the unit off prior to walking away. We offer a 30-day free trial program for first-time buyers. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.